Simplify u plus 5v over 8v squared u squared minus u minus 6v over 8v squared u squared. If you're subtracting fractions of the same exact denominator, just subtract. So I have 8v squared u squared on the bottom, and here I have u plus 5v minus u minus 6v. Yes, you put that in parentheses because yes, you have to distribute that negative. That makes it tricky. So up here I have u plus 5v minus u plus 6v. That's going to be all over 8v squared u squared. Combine like terms, u minus u, cross out. 5v and 6v is 11v, and that's going to be all over 8v squared u squared. Now before we call it a day, I notice that I have nothing but multiplication up here and multiplication down here. I have a v up here and two v's down here. Cross out one v on each side, and that leaves us with 11 over 8vu squared. And that's going to be our guy.